Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send Bitcoin from your Trust wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things crypto, and this tutorial is designed to make the process straightforward and secure. Whether you're looking to move your Bitcoin for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough Bitcoin to send, including any network fees. Next, head over to your Coinbase account on a web browser or app. Go to your Bitcoin wallet section and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Always double-check the address to prevent sending your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Pro tip. In 2025, Coinbase might have enhanced security features like QR codes, so use that if available to minimize errors. Back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send button for your Bitcoin. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on the estimated fees displayed. Once everything looks good, hit Next and review the transaction details carefully. Before you confirm, enable any two-factor authentication if prompted. Security is key in crypto. After confirming, your transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the current blockchain speed in 2025. Once it's done, hop back to Coinbase and refresh your account to see your Bitcoin arrive. And there you have it. That's how you successfully transfer Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or drop a comment below for help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital future together.